you will learn what is structured data and unstructured data and how to save those in delta tables of Databricks. So the first point here I am going to show you structured data. It is a CSV file I am storing into a delta table that is a Databricks native type. And then I am also storing unstructured file that is .jpg file into a Databricks delta table. So basically, let me explain the basic differences between structured data and unstructured data. Structured data, it has a fixed schema, and then it is better performance compared to unstructured data. You can query faster. But whereas unstructured data, there is no fixed schema, and it will be stored as a binary format, and the query performance is compared to structured data, it is lesser. So let me go through some of the differences between these two. Structured data, the format is it is rows and columns, whereas in unstructured data it is a file, it is a binary or text. The schema, it is a fixed and defined, but there is no fixed schema for unstructured data. Resource storage is delta table. You can store it as a cloud storage plus delta metadata. But query is a SQL or Spark SQL, you can create. But if you want to query on unstructured data, you need to follow metadata based queries. But use case for structured data, you can use it for reporting and BI purpose. And whereas unstructured data, you can use machine learning, artificial intelligence, text or images. The performance is very high, structured data, as I said. And moving on to unstructured data, it depends on the processing, the performance. So coming here in the first point, I just created a Spark session, and in the data frame, I saved my customer.csv file into a volumes folder, and that is a CSV file, and I just selected the option header true. And then I am writing as a format. Here you see the main important point, that is format is delta, and save as table customers underscore delta. And unstructured data, it is in the same volume. I saved a demo image.jpg, and the format is binary file. That is the point. I am saving into the binary data frame. That binary data frame I'm writing into as a format is delta, and save as table. The table name is unstructured data. Here table name is customers underscore delta. So after running this successfully, it is written into the table. And if you see the query the data, select star from the default is my schema, and customers underscore delta is my table. And after selecting, it displayed all the data. And moving on to the unstructured data, to add, as I said earlier, it is only the cloud-based metadata. If you want to query the unstructured data, so you would need to query metadata. Say here you see the path where it is saved the demo image.jpg, and then modification time when it is updated, and length means here the number of bytes, 3984 bytes, and the content, real content, it is in a binary format. So these are the things you can see. This is how in Databricks to store data into a delta table for a structured format, how to save it, you already seen here, and how to store unstructured data, that also is seen here. And I also queried the target tables, and you saw the results. This is how you need to work with structured and unstructured data.